Sit. Sit. Down. Down. Woo! Oh, Ricky's pissing. Down. Back it up. Back it up. I hope I don't hit any rocks. Is Mel driving Rick's truck?
No.
Look, no, Mel's driving Rick's truck. Go, go, go.
She jacked Ricky for his truck.
Yo, roll the window down. Hey, Rick, hop on the back. Grab the tire and put your feet on the bumper.
Go.
Ready?
He's good.
Woo, yeah! Get it, woo!
Mud, babe!
What about mud?
Ricky!
Now go easy. What if I put a two-wheel and just not a spool? You're gonna tip Ricky's face.
Poor Ricky's going through hell.
You alright, Ricky? What?
Poor Ricky.
Damn, this is deep as shit.
I think. Poor Ricky.
Yo, he's like, off. How was it? That was fun. It looked fun. It was for a little while.